What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I have an update on an item that I've been selling on eBay. I think it was about 3 months ago. I posted a video about a bad day being an eBay seller. In the video, I talked about a Range Rover headlight that I sold for a lot of money, but it was damaged in the shipping and then it was returned to me. And I made a video talking about the return process. So in that video, I talked about how I was going to keep the headlight and I was going to sell it as is and try to see how much money I could make off of it. I really wasn't sure how much I could make because the damage to it was pretty significant. I've had it on eBay since then for $400 or best offer. I was hoping to at least make a couple $100s off of it. I made sure that when I listed it, I put best offer. So if someone looked at it and saw the damage and they didn't want to offer me, $400, they could offer me a different price and I would probably accept it no matter what they said because I would just like to sell it. So today I got a best offer. And the offer was $350, so I took it. So the headlight, if you guys don't remember, is a Land Rover Range Rover Sport headlight. The damage from the shipping was the cover around the projector had fallen off and got loose. I wasn't sure if I was going to try to open this headlight up and try to fix the trim ring or I was going to try to sell it as is. I figured I'd put it on eBay for a while and see if I got any takers on the headlight as is, because if I open it up and totally destroy the headlight, then it really is no good and not worth anything. So I finally got a best offer on it today. It was $350, which is only $50 less than I was asking. So it's actually a very fair price. So I obviously accepted it. I'm going to package that headlight up now. If you guys remember from the first video, I got $100 from FedEx for the damage in the shipping. I did not have insurance on it. I usually don't pay for insurance. So I got $100 from FedEx because that's how much insurance they put on for free when you use them. And now I sold it for $350. So I've actually made $450 from this headlight the way it is right now, damaged like that. So I'm actually very happy with that. I really wasn't sure how much I was going to be able to sell it for with that trim ring the way it was. I was actually thinking I might only get $200 for it. But obviously it's a very expensive headlight. I think it's around $2,000 or more new. Somebody can either mess around with it, open it up and try to fix it themselves. And, if they can fix it, then it's a very good price for them. They're going to save themselves a lot of money doing that. That's about it. I just wanted to give you guys an update because I said in the other video that if I ever do sell it, I was going to let you guys know how much I sold it for. So something like this, if you get a return, it's not always the end of the world. This was even damaged in the shipping, which sometimes if it's damaged so much, you can't sell it. But I was lucky enough that this damage wasn't too bad. So I still sold it for $350. I had the $100 insurance. So $450 from this one headlight, I'm very happy with. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on that. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.